Hello. You are thinking about using red light therapy panels to do light therapy for your face, neck and maybe shoulders. Sometimes it is called anti-aging, and you have option to get a panel with table stand or with a kickstand. Which option is better for you? Let's discuss this in this video. So here I've got two panels from the same company, Mito, and one has got kickstand as you see here, and the other has got very good quality table stand. They come usually with already this equipment attached. You can actually detach this table stand if you don't want to use it on the table, and you can, for instance, hang it on the door hook, which comes with the panel in the box. But if you want to do light therapy for your face, you probably want to do something like this. Basically, point the light at you, and let me just turn it on and just do light therapy this way. When we do light therapy for face, we usually put goggles on because the light is very bright. And let me just quickly demonstrate. Here you are. So this is how we would do light therapy for face. As you see, this light on the table stand is in a very good position to shine on my face, neck and shoulders. And of course I can adjust it according to my liking. Let's just switch it off. So this is the advantage of this very good quality table stand, that it allows you to precisely direct the light on an angle you want. And when you have panel with kickstand, is a different story because you cannot really adjust the angle of the light. As you see, there is only option of putting light this way or just folding it all the way. There is no other option, at least with this panel. What it means is that basically you can only position your light in one angle, whatever the producer decide. It's not bad because if I turn it on for you, you will see that it actually works well as well. So let me demonstrate. The panel is now connected and on, and as you see, also shines very well on my face, neck and shoulders, but I cannot really precisely direct the light. It is as it is and I cannot adjust it. Now let's talk about the advantage of actually this solution, because initially it looks like it's much worse than this one, but it has advantages. First of all, this panel, it's much lighter without the table stand. So if you plan to use your light, for instance, in different locations, let's say you buy a light panel to use for yourself, but maybe you also want to use it for your elderly mother who is in another house, and you basically, whenever you see her, you take the panel with you to do some light therapy or her achy muscles or joints. And for this purpose, that light is much better because it's lighter. You've got only that small kickstand, which you can use it for do light therapy for your face or her face, but you can also position light like this and, for instance, make her lie down on the bed or on sofa and position the light to shine on her specific problem you want to do light therapy on. And it's also going to work well because the light is going to be steady like this because of this kickstand, and you can easily fold it and take it with you back home. And as well, if you do some sport that you might want to do light therapy for your achy muscles and joint after extensive training or maybe very tough game, you can take this small light with you in a small luggage and do light therapy in your hotel room. And as well, you can use this light very easily, and it's very small, very compact, and you can fit it in a small luggage very easily. While if you want to use this light, that stand, it's made of metal and it's very heavy, and the light together with that stand, it's quite heavy to hold and to maneuver. So if you plan to use this panel in different locations, like for instance visiting your elderly parents, that is probably going to be much more heavier, much more difficult, much more cumbersome to use. So this option with a table stand is great if you're actually going to put it on your beauty desk and use it as it is without taking it anywhere else. But if you plan to use the light somewhere else, maybe in the hotel room or maybe with your elderly family member, then having a kickstand may be actually very good option. If you're interested in good quality red light therapy panels, I'm affiliate with Mito Red Lights and Platinum LED, and I can offer you a discount link, so you can check in the video description below. When you click on my affiliate link and if you decide to purchase any of their product, it will be at no extra cost to you, and actually you will have a discount and it will give me some small commission, which is a win-win for everyone. And if you are interested in more tips about using red light therapy at home, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.